Today, we're diving into the Majnesvon folding treadmill, a compact exercise machine designed for home use. The multifunctional LCD display caught my attention right away, allowing me to track crucial workout metrics like time, speed, distance, heart rate, and calories burned. With preset exercise modes, customizing my workout rhythm has never been easier. Safety is a top priority with this treadmill. The built-in heart rate sensors in the handrail provide real-time monitoring, enhancing the convenience and safety of my workouts. The safety key adds an extra layer of security, instantly shutting down the treadmill in case of emergencies. One standout feature is the inclusion of 2 water bottle cages on the console, ensuring I stay hydrated throughout my session. The quiet and smooth 1.5 HP motor makes it perfect for home use, providing an effective and safe cushion for my knees and muscles with its 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt. What sets this treadmill apart is its foldable design and transportation wheels, making storage and relocation a breeze. With dimensions of 44.5 inch dx 20.6 wx 36 h, it easily fits into any small corner of my home. Overall, the Majnesvon folding treadmill offers a fantastic home workout experience. Whether you're into running, jogging, or walking, this treadmill delivers on its promise of convenience, safety, and efficiency. If you're in the market for a portable electric treadmill, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.